Hello guys, welcome to our second video. So here in this second video, we are going to create a developer instance account for Salesforce. I am going to give a detailed step-by-step idea that how you are going to easily create your Salesforce developer account. So for that, you just need to search for Salesforce developer org. It will give you a link here. You just have to open it. Here you will see a sign up form for this. Here you just have to provide things here called I'm just going to create it via the Salesforce. I'm going to create here using the SF guy. Okay, SF guy. Okay, I'm going to specify my email address here. You can specify your email address here as well, and just make sure that whatever the email address you are specifying here should be correct, because you are going to receive an verification email on this, that you have to verify other that without that we are not going to create your account. So for company, I'm going to create a given instance of random company name of my company. Country, I'm going to provide as an India. Postal code, it can be anything for okay, 6. Okay, username for what I want for that you have. So sf guy @salesforce.com. Okay, so whatever the account for which I'm going to create, the username should be that. This is what I'm requesting. I'm clicking on the sign up thing. It will show you a loading page. Now, after this, what exactly Salesforce does is that validating the data which you have provided. If this kind of page is came, so you can easily confirm that the account is easily get created. So you just have to open your Gmail account here. Okay, you will see a verification mail coming there. So this is, I can see that there is a developer verification mail comes. So the mail sometime takes 5 to 10 minutes to come, depending on the network traffic we are having. So here, after coming to the mail, you can see that it is having a welcome to the Salesforce and verify your account as a tagline or headline. You can see, or subject line we have said. So for that, you can easily see we have the login instance at login.salesforce.com. Username is safeguarded@salesforce.com, and verify for that. So now in this procedure, we are going to verify our Salesforce account. So now, firstly, it is going to ask you what are the password you are going to specify for this. So I'm going to enter whatever the password I want. Just make sure that your password should have 8 characters, 1 letters, and 1 number in that. Now I'm going to provide another pass confirming the password for this birthplace city. I'm entering the Pune. Whatever the birthplace you are having, you can enter that, and after that you can just change it, and your account is successfully gonna create it. So this account can be easily used for any kind of study purpose or any kind of related understanding purpose. So you can use this account as per your understanding. You can create any kind of objects, any kind of thing. It will have all the restriction related to an developer edition accounts. You can create almost the uses of the thing. There are the different types of app you can see. You can switch to the specified app. There is an object, and whatever the see you are going to see after this videos as well. I'm gonna work on this instance, so you can easily create account here. So here, if you want to create a user, you just have to go to the setup, click on user. Okay, here you will see the list of the users you are having. You can see the my user is there. So if we want to change any kind of details here, you can change the username by just clicking edit. For email changing, just make sure that after entering the email, you just then there is another verification email is gonna come. You just have to verify that email first, and then only the email is getting updated. Otherwise, you will see the old email until you will verify the things. There are different types of things, just like street, city name, whatever the details you want to fill, you can specify and click on save, and all the details will be easily saved. You can create as much as user you want. It depends, totally depends on a license you are having. So for new user creation, you just have to click on new user, and you specify also enter different details whatever you want. You can select the role, user licenses, profiles, the active users or not, and all other things. So user is going to easily get created by clicking on the save. Okay, so that's all guys for this today, for this video. So please let me know if you have any thought or if you are facing any kind of issue while creating Salesforce developer account. I have already mentioned the developer instance creation link in the description. You can check out that thing and let me know your thoughts on this video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Till then, keep smiling, keep loving, keep sharing.